In this video, I will show you how to create a marketing short video. First, import all the footage to the timeline. Now go to Titles, and then pick any title you like. Filmora has a lot of options to choose from. I am going to choose this one. Click on the title, and then click on Advance. A new window will open. Here you can make any changes you want. Now we have added the title. Let's add some animated stickers at the bottom of the screen. Go to Stickers and search for anything. I'm searching for cash. Drag and drop it on top of the timeline. I will adjust the size of the sticker to make it fit the screen. I will another at the top of the screen. Now let's add some music to this short. Search for any music you want or choose the categories on the side. Drag and drop it on the timeline. Now do the same for rest of the videos in the timeline. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more such videos.